Hello people of this world. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Lazy Oaf and Crocs collaboration. I'm so excited to show you all. It's such a big box. Look how groovy it is. It's like this neon orange kind of color. I do have a lot of Lazy Oaf shoe collaboration, Lazy Oaf Doc Martens, Lazy Oaf Melissa. And yeah, if you want to see all of them, please let me know and I can make a shoe video on all of those shoes for you to see. But today we're going to be doing Crocs and I'm so excited for these. These ones are the Mega Crush Clogs right there. As you can see, I got them in my size 7 women's. I believe these are all pretty true to size, so whatever size you get for Crocs or your usual size, you can just buy these as well in the same size and they will fit you pretty much perfectly. And for Lazy Oaf, I just love this design. I can't wait to show you. There were a couple other different Crocs in the shoe collab, but the Mega Crush caught my heart and I absolutely had to get these. Let's open the box. Ooh. And there they are. They are so huge, so platform, and so shiny. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Can't you see like the reflection and everything? Let me take out the other side for you as well. They have different charms on each of them. Oh, goodness, it's like as big as my head. And look at the cute charms on these. So this one has the little eyes, hearts, and some flower jewels. And then this one just has the different color flower jewels. So they're super cute. And I just can't wait to wear these. I think what I love about this shoe the most is the colorway. It's just a combination of all the colors like purple, pink, blue, green, yellow. It's just tie-dyed and like mixed all over. Then we have, of course, a little like sports mode handle for the Crocs. We have the little Lazy Oaf eye logo, and then on the other side we have the Crocs logo. And then this is such a beautiful midsole. Look at how the platform is created, and look at that reflection. It's a purple chrome color, but in itself it also has like an ombre effect, so it goes from pink to like purple from the back. It just gives it this cool luminescence effect when you wear it. And then the bottom itself right here has the same color as the uppers, and then the bottom soles right there has the blue with the ridges for friction. And then inner soles has Crocs imprinted on there. And then you can also see the sizing. So this is women's 7 and then men's 5. So beautiful, isn't it? I just love these shoes so much. I can't wait to wear them. They're so platform and huge. These are honestly, I think, the most extra Crocs that I own. As you know, Crocs are always very comfortable to wear and you can just match these with anything you want. That's mainly it for this unboxing. Very short and very sweet because Crocs are pretty straightforward, but I just wanted to show you this super cute design that they had. And let me know if you like these shoes. If you have any questions on them, please leave them in the comments down below. If you want me to review any other shoes, let me know as well, and I'll be sure to get through all your comments. And until next time, bye.